Number 5 is Anycubic Resin 3D Printer. Are you ready to dive into 3D printing and take your gun frames to the next level? Then the Anycubic Photon M3 6K, the ultimate resin 3D printer for all your firearm crafting needs. This impressive machine boasts a maximum print volume of 9.6 by 7.8 by 4.8 inches, allowing you to print multiple gun frames simultaneously, revolutionizing your productivity without compromising quality. Equipped with a remarkable 9.25-inch 6K monochrome screen, this printer delivers stunningly vivid details with its 5760 by 3600 px resolution. Plus, the screen's extended lifespan, lasting 4 times longer than ordinary LCD screens, ensures durability. You can bid farewell to LCD screen damage worries with a scratch-resistant film. The Photon M3 6K's powerful UV light source is a game-changer. Featuring 40 bright LED lamp beads and an upgraded 40 LED matrix parallel UV light source, it offers uniform distribution and an accurate display of intricate model details, guaranteeing high-quality gun frames. The industry-leading 6% light transmittance screen can achieve a mind-boggling 1 second per layer printing speed, cutting your printing time in half compared to other 3D printers. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for gun frames. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.